it's turned left a little bit, guys. Yeah, it turned left. It's almost going due north.
Phone.
Okay.
Phone. Other.
Yep, David.
I need
You're
that.
exactly right, David. It's going to be at least an EF4 if it hits something. At least an EF4. Lots of debris. Look at all that debris in our shot right there. So I'm going to have Amy zoom up on it just a little bit with dash cam here. Actually, we've got it on night vision right there. You can see it in our shot. There's a lot of debris. David, this thing, one thing to note, this thing appears to be moving due north. It looks like it's turned left. It's like occluded, but it's obvious. David, this thing's getting even bigger still. I couldn't think it was going to get any bigger, but it continues to get bigger. Yeah, we're going north on. Let me tell you which road we are on here. What is that? North 1710. We're on North 1710, and I actually think, David, that it's inching closer to us as we go north. So it might be going just a hair. It might be just going a hair east of due north. But well, this is a massive. This is like May 3rd stuff right here, David. I'm watching.
I'm gonna take that road west.
I don't know. I'm watching.
No,
See what it looks like when we get
this
here.
west road.
I see it.
Okay.
There's also another one here too. All right, let's take the west road because we'll be pointing at it.
I'm not getting video right now.
Okay. Boy, this road is bad. I've got to look at this road and see what it's like.
Yeah, we don't want to get slowed down there.
Right, we do not want to get slowed down here. Oh, it's good. It's good. I think. All right, here we go. Make sure you record. Hey, Val's here. Val's back. It's on the road ahead of us a mile. Here. Don't run out. All right, David. It's on the ground. Maybe 3/4 of a mile to my west right now. We're almost on it. It's a large tornado, and I can see violent motion. I mean, good night, this thing is spinning hard. Violent motion. We're about to get into the rain curtains here. I'm just going to slow down here, and we're going to watch it. Rain curtains 1/4 of a mile, less than 1/4 of a mile to our northwest. Look at that shot. There's a farmhouse. It's going to miss the farmhouse just barely to the west. Barely missing this farmhouse. 1/4 of a mile, David, 1/4 of a mile.
I'm having to swing around.
Hey, here. Put on the roof cam. Put on the roof cam.
Sorry, I had to swing around.
Roof cam. All right, roof cam. There it is right there. It's 1/4 of a mile. Now, a condensation is on the ground again, David. Condensation. Multiple vortex. Multiple vortex. Good night. Okay. Multiple vortices. It barely missed the farmhouse. Yeah, it's not moving very fast at all. It's moving very, very slowly to the north. Very slowly north. Oh, there's a power flash. Yeah, we saw. Oh, good grief. Power flash. This thing is stationary now, David. I'm going to stop on the road. It's stationary, and it's just a quarter of a mile north of us here. We saw a power flash. I'm a little worried about this farmhouse here, just to our northwest. Also worried about the man that went in the emergency vehicle straight north. We're getting probably 60-mile-an-hour winds from the south-southwest right now in front of us. We saw a power flash on the road straight ahead of us, about maybe a quarter to half a mile straight ahead of us. We've been completely overspread with rain now.